All right, what's good, boys? We had a lot of questions about our last build, but so this build is going to be the Leon Lee mini version 2. We got like the new fans, the Leon Lee fans. We got the 5090, and we also got the new SN8 100. It's supposed to be pretty good. We got a brand new motherboard, gaming motherboard. Um, we got the Ryzen. We got the Ryzen 900 series processor. Got that. We got the brand new 5090. Seems pretty nice. We got a lot of questions about the lights. We're gonna show you all the lights are Leon Lee. We got more lights. We got all these new lights. We're gonna be putting together. It's gonna be looking sick. Um, we got this shift tube design for the V2 Mini. It's pretty sick. But we're just gonna basically show you guys how to build it. We're gonna walk you through everything, walk you through all the boring stuff, how to put it together and all. But it's gonna be interesting. Hopefully you like the video. It's gonna be good and solid. All right, thank you.